First cylinder we'll look at is the blanket cylinder, the one that transfers the print from the plate to the paper. It's useful to look at the cross-section of the blanket cylinder. See the way that the rubber blanket and packing is intended to fill the undercut of the cylinder. On the GTO, the undercut is 3 millimeters, so this becomes the necessary thickness as you pack the blanket. However, should you be using a compressible blanket, you need to overpack by 0.05 of a millimeter to get a good transfer of print. You can't really achieve the accuracy so vital to correct printing pressure without using a micrometer. Here, a special calibrated packing sheet is used and checked with the micrometer. If you are more than 0.02 of a millimeter out between plate and blanket in either direction, then you may develop printing problems. This effect here is what we must achieve. Now let's see how we prepare the blanket for the press. Using a flat bench, ensure that the grain direction of the blanket, indicated by these lines, will lie around the blanket cylinder and not across it. Otherwise the blanket will keep stretching as you try to tighten it. Metal clamping bars are attached to the blanket. Don't be tempted to clamp the packing in with the blanket at this stage. You'll only create problems. Note that the clamping starts at the center and that several tightening sequences occur. If an underblanket is used, allow it to trail at the tail edge. Let's now fit it to the press. First, fold the front edge of the packing over, about 12 millimeters, and tuck it over the leading edge of the blanket cylinder face. Place the front clamping bar and blanket into the mounting shaft, press the bar against the spring-loaded retainer hooks, and then push the bar down until it clicks in and seats correctly. Hold the back clamping bar and turn the press around to the rear mounting shaft. Push the clamping bar against the spring-loaded retainer hooks and click under the lip. Secure the clamping bar firmly with one hand and tighten the tension reel with the T-bar in the other hand. Tighten firmly. Turn the press around to the front edge and tighten the front mounting shaft. At correct tension, when you flick the blanket with the finger in the area between the bar and the cylinder face, you should hear a slight popping sound. Don't forget the blanket guard.